Cruiser presents India's first water heater, which comes with a 5-year complete warranty and 7-year warranty on its inner tank. Cruiser water heaters have been specially designed for high-rise buildings and also works with pressure pumps. It has a technology that its heating element does not scale or rust in hard water conditions. Cruiser presents a whole range of water heaters like horizontal water heaters, instant water heaters and PNG gas water heaters. For more inquiry, log into www.cruiserelectricals.com.